Hello, everyone. I just wanted to let you all know that this week's episode of In the Garden with Susan is about hyssop and some different ways that you can preserve it from the garden so you have it in your cupboard for the winter. And due to some of the things I talked about, I have to only post it on Rumble. And I tried to share the Rumble video on my Facebook, and it got taken down because it violated community standards, and that was just the title. So I'll leave the link below for where you can find it on Rumble. It's on my Garden Fairy Botanicals channel, and then the recipes and everything are on a blog at my website. Okay, we'll see you next week when I'll be talking about a different herb. Have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.